Hello everyone, my name is Kirsten Emenecker, and today we are going to be reading Ocean, Waves for All, written by Stacy McAnulty and illustrated by David Litchfield. Before we begin reading, let's think of some questions. Let's examine the title first. Why do we think the author said, Waves for All? Next, let's look at the picture. We're shown the deep ocean. Do we think we're going to learn about the living things in the ocean, the characteristics and the facts about the ocean? We're going to have to read to find out. But while we're reading, I want you to pay close attention to the facts and characteristics of the ocean. Let's begin. Dude, I am ocean. You know my many names: Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, Southern. It's all excellent, me. My salt water flows across the planet as one. I'm free. Earth is called the blue planet because of my epic deep water. I swirl over 71% of our world. I have no flag, no nationality. My waves are for all. I'm older than the air you dudes breathe. I've been here for about 4 billion years. Most of my salty H2O formed as baby Earth began chillin', as in cooling off. But some water may have been delivered by icy comets. Boom! For millions of years, I was cruising solo. Then came land. Dry to my wet. I was stoked for this change. Life on Earth began in my epic waters. Way small at first, like microscopic man. Bacteria, algae, single-celled organisms, multi-celled organisms, jellyfish, plant life, fish. But life grows, changes, and gets totally interesting. Now I have a question for you. Life on Earth began in the epic waters of the ocean. How did your life begin? Where were you born? Where did you live? Keep that in mind. And like a boss, I hold some righteous records. Home to Earth's biggest animal, the blue whale dwarfs any dinosaur. Largest mountain range, meet the mid-ocean ridge. Largest living structure, the Great Barrier Reef. This beauty can be seen from Moon, far out. I'm rolling in riches like gold, oil, silver, and even diamonds. As life goes on, there was many changes in the ocean. What changes happened in your life? Did you move? Did you get new family members? I don't need pavement to be the ultimate highway. More than 50,000 merchant ships can travel my waves on a single day. I deliver food, clothes, toys, books, surfboards, and everything you dudes need. I'm a deep layered soul. The sunlight zone, twilight zone, midnight zone, the abyss, the trenches. My deepest spot at 11,030 meters is the Marina Trench. I could swallow Mount Everest. The ocean has many layers to his soul. Do you have many layers to you? Are you kind, lovable, funny? Moon controls my tides, high and low, twice a day, harmony. And I keep Earth's climate just right. At least I try to. I'm the ultimate friend, your bro. Without me, there's no animals, no plants, no you. So without the ocean, we wouldn't have any animals, we wouldn't have any plants, or any humans. Do you have a friend or a family member that makes you who you are? I want people to know me, you dudes. Have better pictures of Mars than on my bottom. Cha! It's true! And more humans have visited outer space than my deepest spots. Awesome for outer space. Bummer for me. 90% of my waters are completely dark, cold, and yet totally rad. Come explore my secrets. There are so many unknown facts about the ocean. Are there any unknown facts about yourself that many people may not know? Check it out. Tube worms, hydrothermal vents, volcanoes. Talk about totally tubular. Sad news, dudes. I'm facing a major wipeout. Whole islands of plastic and garbage float in my waters. Whoa, not cool. Some creatures are struggling to survive. Overfishing is a major bummer. Glaciers and icebergs are melting super fast. Too fast. But together, we can get back in the zone. Let's find that sweet balance. I'm your neighbor, your friend, your past, and your future. Dude, I am ocean. So, after reading this book, we learned many different characteristics of the ocean. We learned how the ocean began, what lives in the ocean, and we also saw some struggles that the ocean is facing today. I want you to keep these in mind as we go on to our work. Thank you.